If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day.
We're unboxing Facebook Marketplace find of the day, Magnepan MG-1s. And the story was they've been in a box for I don't know how many years, so they look like they're in really good condition. I'm going to take them out, put them together and see if they work, and then do the usual disassemble and check the adhesives. Whoever packaged these things packaged the heck out of them. Can't believe they were sitting in a box for I don't know how long, and we're just on Facebook Marketplace like this. Here the lighting's kind of low, but you can see the condition of the first piece. Pretty nice, minus the trim piece is a little loose, and the other one's missing. Well, not missing, detached. Here you can see the condition of the second speaker. A little better than the first, mostly just because both of these hung on. And the grills are in perfect shape. Just missing paint from the stands. That's no big deal. The screws that hold the stands on this one didn't really grab as well as I would have liked, so might have epoxy some threaded inserts in there. But so far, a restorable find. We'll plug them up and see if they make noise.